Unfortunately, you've been lied to. You hear all these people talking about you can get into wholesaling real estate with $0 or no money, no credit, no experience. You've been lied to. Well, here's the deal. You actually do need some money to get started in wholesaling real estate. Can you start wholesaling real estate with $0? Yes, but that is the hard route. Are you choosing pain or are you choosing success? It's up to you. If you can invest a little bit of money into wholesaling, you're going to skyrocket your results and your success. Starting with $0 is the slow way, right? We don't want to do anything the slow way. We're trying to get rich now. Today, we're going to be breaking down how much money do you really need to get started in wholesaling real estate to get fast results and within the next 30 to 60 days, get your first deal, get multiple deals and scale up from there. Because truly, you're in for a long road if you're trying to start for $0. Now, do people get lucky out there? They start with $0, they get their first deal quickly? Yeah, but other people start with $0 and it takes them months and months to get their first deal. For example, for me, when I got started in wholesaling real estate, I tried to spend no money. I was spending like $200 a month and it took me 8 months to get my first deal. So I would have rather have spent money in the beginning, right? So about 5 months into my journey in wholesaling, I decided, okay, I have $4,000 in my bank account. I'm going to put this $4,000 towards wholesaling and boom, 2 months later, got my first deal. I made $30,000. So the question is, do you want the hard route, the long route, or do you want the shortcut by investing some of your money? Guys, the truth is, if you invest your money properly in the right things, you're not going to lose it. You're going to get a return on your investment and make money. But if you have the wrong guidance, the wrong teacher, and the wrong information, you'll just waste that money. The point of this video today is show you, okay, how much money do you truly need to get into wholesaling, right? How much money did I spend to get my first deal, right? And then what should you put that money into so that way you can guarantee results, guarantee success. So guys, let me jump on the whiteboard and break it down for you. Money to wholesale real estate, right? People say you can start with $0. Guys, you can, but it's going to take you forever to get your first deal. We want to get rich fast. That's not the way to do it. Okay, I spent under $3,000 to get my first deal. Let's get that out of the way. What did I spend to get my first deal, right? For 5 months, I was trying with $0, getting minimal results and not having success. Boom, put in $3,000. 2 months later, got my first deal, made $30,000. That would be a 10x return. You see? 10x return. You put money in, you get a return on your investment. Boom, I turned $3,000 into $30,000. Now, truly, I believe in order to get started in wholesaling real estate, how much money do you need? You need somewhere between $2,000 to $3,000 set aside. If you can invest $2,000 to $3,000, you're going to be set. So there's two ways that we can invest this money. Now, my favorite marketing channel is cold calling marketing. Now, doing this right, it's actually better than all other marketing channels out there because most people are doing it wrong and that's why they think it's not good. Doing it right with the right software and the right process gets crazy good results because cold calling is more affordable than all other paid marketing channels out there and it can reach way more people, right? The goal with wholesaling real estate is the more homeowners you reach, the more homeowners you talk to, and the more offers you make equals the more deals you're gonna get. So we want to create a budget, right? A business plan that can last 3 months, right? 2 to 3 months. So what that looks like with $2,000 to $3,000 is you want to get a multi-line dialer, which is a software that calls 12 people at once. So normally people fail with wholesaling because they're hand dialing, typing in one number at a time, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers, typing in another number, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers. So it takes you 10 minutes before you even get somebody on the phone to talk to. You need a 12-line dialer because every time you get off the phone with somebody live that you're talking to, the next 30 seconds you'll have another live prospect on the phone. That's how you're able to reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. Now, that's about $200 a month. So if you want to just spend $200 a month rather than zero and make the cold calls yourself, cool, right? You'll be able to get a deal way faster that way than spending $0 by just making the cold calls yourself, using the multi-line dialer, right? But if we want to get this deal fast, we want to invest in cold callers, right? And guys, my callers are from Launch VA. You can see right there, Launch VA, boom. So that's my call center that I've built over the past 7 years of me being in this business. So I would hire callers from launchva.com. Now, how much are the callers from launchva.com? Each cold caller is about $1,000. So the dialer runs faster with 2 callers and you get better results with 2 callers. So we can go ahead with our $3,000 budget, get 2 callers, and that'll last us about 2 months, right? If we want to do a 3-month budget, then get 1 caller, and that'll last us 3 months. So when we get that caller, they're going to be calling for 8 hours a day, reaching hundreds and thousands of homeowners, and they're going to be feeding you the homeowners that are interested in selling. So that way you're not talking to people, wasting your time with people that aren't interested. Now you're just talking to people that the cold caller already found for you that are interested in selling their property. This is going to exponentially increase your odds of getting a deal, exponentially increase how fast you get a deal. So that's what I would do. Now, where should you get your data from, right? We want to conserve our budget. We want to conserve our money. So we don't want to spend a bunch of money on data. And guys, there's no such thing as high quality data. All the motivated seller data out there is pretty much the same. There's 2 places I like to get my data from that are really affordable. For $200 a month, you can go to PropStream and you can get 50,000 records a month skip traced. That's plenty enough data for your 2 callers, 1 to 2 callers, right? Or you can go to Cole Realty Resource, Express Docs, Cole Realty Resource. I'll put links down below for this. And for like $700, they'll give you unlimited data for the whole year. So either one of those options, because the data with those providers comes skip traced, right? We don't want to waste money on skip tracing. We want to use our money on marketing. So we want to find a data provider that gives us the phone numbers with the property address, right? A lot of data providers out there will give you the data, the address, but then you got to pay for the skip tracing to get the phone number to contact the seller. That's a waste of money. We want to keep our budget tight and we want to focus it on the marketing. So instantly, when you implement this, you are going to get results way faster. People lie to you. They say, start wholesaling with $0. Yeah. Is there a ton of people out there that have got their first deal spending no money? Yes. But guys, truly, like if you have a little bit of money saved up, the way to go is investing it and getting a return on that investment. Guys, this was just a brief overview of what I would do, how much I would spend, and how I would place that money in marketing. But guys, I break down this into a full 7-step wholesaling process every single week. I hold a free 1-hour live training where I show you exactly how. So click the link down below, sign up for my next 1-hour live training so I can break this down way more in depth with you and you can get on a personal call with me. So I'll see you on that 1-hour call where I dive way deeper in all this, but I just wanted to break the myth today. $0? No. Invest a little bit of money? Yes. Hope that's helpful so that way you guys can stop listening to the noise out there of people steering you in the wrong direction of something that's never going to get you results. And I hope this helps so you know what you actually need to do to be successful in wholesaling so that way you're not running in circles. Hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the red button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on that 1-hour live training. Click the link, sign up. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.